international.
Hey guys, it's Taya back with another video. As you guys can probably already tell from the title, today I'm going to be doing my favorite deep conditioners. I'm not going to make this intro too long, but if you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already done so, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm not going to be going in any particular order. I'm just picking up random deep conditioners. They're all over here on my bed, so I'm just gonna be picking them up for you guys and just kind of going through them one by one. If I don't say the price, I'll go ahead and either put it on the screen or I'll go ahead and put it in the description box below. So check the description box or it'll be on the screen. The first deep conditioner that I have here is a Shea Moisture deep conditioner, and this is the JBCO Strengthen It and Restore Treatment Mask. And this is actually one of my favorite deep conditioners, you guys. At first, I really loved I was obsessed rather with the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey, and then I tried this one, and you guys, I think I love this one a little bit more. Like, I'm really feeling this deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is so moisturizing, and I know it says it is a strengthening deep conditioner, but you guys, I feel like every time I use this deep conditioner, my hair just loves it. When I say my hair loves this deep conditioner, my hair drinks it up. It makes it so soft and just moisturized. Like, I don't know, you guys. I don't know what they put in here. I don't know if it's the JBCO that's in here, the apple cider vinegar. I don't know what's in here, but when I tell you, my hair is always so soft. I'm not exaggerating. If you guys haven't tried this deep conditioner, I don't know what you're waiting for. Oh, and I don't know what it is that just smells so good in here. I don't know if it's that. It's definitely not the apple cider vinegar, because y'all know that does not smell good, but it may be the combination of the shea butter and the peppermint. It smells amazing. It's super thick. It's really affordable. This is going to be like your drugstore. You can find this anywhere that you pretty much find products, like CVS, Target, Walmart. You can pick this up pretty much anywhere. So yeah, this is the Shea Moisture's JBCO Strengthening and Treatment Mask. I love this stuff. It is probably around anywhere from $10 to $13. I feel like all the Shea Moisture products are around 10 to 13 bucks. So yeah, you guys, get you some. Love this stuff. The next product that I have, you guys have seen this on my channel. This is my, thank God it is natural. I love this stuff. This stuff is amazing. And can I just tell you guys, I'm pissed. Can I say that word? Yeah, I'm pissed. The reason why is because I went to Sally's. Let's just take a moment to just breathe. First of all, do you see this, guys? Ain't nothing in here. It is empty. Empty. Hello. Hi, hon. I'm filming. It's hot. First of all, let's just talk about it for a second. Sally's had a 50% off conditioner sales, and I, for some reason, did not bother to check my stash. I had no idea that this I had no idea that this was gone. Like, there's like nothing in here, you guys. And I did not get it when it was on sale. So y'all know I'm gonna have to probably bite the bullet and go pick up another one. But okay, back to the description. This is the TGIN, thank God it is natural, honey miracle mask. I'm blown. I did not get another one when it was on sale. That is my fault. I should have checked my stash. But you guys, this is like, I do not even have to really rave too much about this product. I have featured this product before on my channel. I love this product. I will go ahead and link that video for you guys so you can check it out. It's bomb, you guys. Like, the smell, It smells like honey all day long. It smells like just taking a bunch of honey and just massaging it through your hair. It's so bomb. The consistency, you guys, is, you guys can see that it's not really thick. Making a whole mess. It's not really thick, you guys, but it definitely has a nice little consistency. It's kind of like thin, a little bit runny, not too runny. I mean, it definitely has some texture, but just a little bit runny. Oh, it smells bomb, you guys. This is probably, I want to say this is on your higher end a little bit too. This will run you probably around $15 or so. I'm definitely not sure. I'm gonna check the price and make sure that I leave the price on the screen for you guys. The next deep conditioner that I have, you guys, is another Shea Moisture product. This actually grew with me. This is their raw shea butter deep treatment mask, and I just like started using this one, I want to say this year, but I really enjoyed it. I think I saw it on someone else's channel, and then it was like at the store on sale. I was like, let me give it a try. It is shea butter. You really can't go wrong. You guys know I love shea butter. I love to make my own DIY shea butter remedy. So I went on ahead and I picked this up. This is going to range around your $10 to $13. Same thing, drugstore. You can find it pretty much just anywhere. What I do like about this one is that it's moisturizing. It pretty much smells like shea butter. I think it has sea kelp and it has argan oil in it. What I like about this one is that you can mix things in it. So if you guys are trying to make like your DIYs and you don't really know where to start, I think this is a great base. You can start with this. You can add things in here. You can add oils. You can add essential oils. You can add just your sealant. Like, you can add so many different things that you like want to add in here, just to kind of make your own concoction. You can add henna. So I feel like this is a great base if you are trying to make like your own little DIY concoction. You can use it by itself. You can also mix it. I like to use this mixed with like my JBCO or just any other of my deep conditioners when I just want to add a little bit of moisture. Because of the shea butter in here, I feel like it definitely adds some moisture. So again, I really like this deep conditioner. I just started using it this year, but I have since fallen in love. So if you guys are looking for like a basic deep conditioner where you can kind of mix in your own oils, add your own things in here, you guys should definitely check this out. And this is the Trader Joe's shea butter and coconut oil. And I know some of you guys do not like coconut oil. I know y'all despise coconut oil, but if you are not coconut oil sensitive and you guys are looking for a super inexpensive deep conditioner, this deep conditioner, believe it or not, you guys, is like $4. And I don't know if it's like paraben free and all that other stuff. I'm not really sure, but you guys can kind of you guys can probably hit up a Trader Joe's and check it out if you have one near you. It is great. Again, really inexpensive if you're looking for like a cheaper option. Like I said, it's no more than $4 or $5. It promises to moisturize, revitalize dry and damaged hair, and it's for softening and silkening hair. And I can attest to this, you guys. This stuff is bomb. I love this stuff. If I didn't have any money, if I was broke, like broke, I'ma still get me some deep conditioner. No excuse. For those of you guys, I know this is like a little off topic, but it's on the topic. For those of you guys who are not deep conditioning and are coming to me saying, well, Taya, how come my hair is dry? Seriously, y'all see my face? Do y'all see my face? $4. You don't have no excuse. You don't have no excuse, boo. You don't have, sis, it's $4. Seriously? $4. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you to tell me why you can't deep condition. It is really good. You get a lot. This is a 5.1 fluid ounce container, and I know you probably are like, really, 5 ounces, what's that going to do? But I promise you guys, because the consistency is so thick, and I'm gonna just show you guys. When I say it's thick, like, look at that. That is extremely thick. Like, it's not going anywhere. So, like, so even though it's only 5 ounces, you can still make it work. And again, like I said, now how am I gonna get this back? Y'all know I'm Jabu. Y'all, seriously, go back in. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, get you some. If not, you probably could order this online. Again, it's really thick. For the 5 ounces, you probably can get at least 5 to 6 deep conditions, no lie. My next conditioner that I have is the Miele Organics. You guys know I'm in love. I love this conditioner, you guys. Y'all know I think it smells like egg or whatever, but it does its job, and that's all I care about. Like, seriously, this is a new one, you guys. So it's not open yet. It smells like mint. It smells like egg to me. I do have another one, and I did buy this one because that one was about to run out. I don't understand how I remembered that this was running out, but not my TGIN. Like, what's going on? I ain't that old. Like, seriously, you guys? Okay, anyway, I digress. This is their Babassu and mint. I don't know why I always want to say mint and Babassu. Babassu and mint deep conditioner. This is a protein conditioner for you ladies who are lacking protein, maybe suffering from moisture overload, or just trying to figure out why your hair is so mushy. You really have to try and balance out both the protein and the moisture in your hair. This is great when you need that additional protein in your hair. Really inexpensive. It's around 13 bucks. Not as cheap as the Trader Joe's, obviously, but definitely not on your higher end of deep conditioners. So yeah, I mean, this is great. Again, I love it. You guys have heard me rave about this, so I don't really need to go into detail too much about this. It's a great product. If you haven't already tried it, don't forget to get you some. It's bomb. Macadamia natural oil deep repair mask. This stuff is amazing, you guys. I did a whole video dedicated to me using this stuff, and you guys can see I'm almost out, but I still can get about 2 uses out of this. So yes, I'm almost out. The stuff smells so bomb. It has a clean smell. It's not really like a fruity kind of smell. It's more clean. This is going to be your higher end deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is around $22, $23, $22.99, something like that. You can get it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. You may be able to find it there for a cheaper price. A lot of times they'll send, you know, products that are like out of stock, whatever, older products to like TJ Maxx and Marshall. So you can grab this out of there and it may be cheaper, but if you want to order it offline or at Sally's, this is your higher end product. This is around $22, $23, and it is great for moisture. This is an OG product. It has gone around YouTube for forever. So if you have not tried it and your hair needs moisture, I would highly, highly recommend this macadamia oil. It is bomb. You don't need to add anything in it. It's great as is. And yeah, I mean, what else can I say? It's bomb. Get you some. Okay. Well, one more deep conditioner, and that is going to be my Crecepelo. You guys know I could not do a deep conditioner video without adding my OG Crecepelo. It's the big boy. That's why I'm sitting on my shoulder so you guys can see how big it is. Like, this actually, for this whole thing, I think this one's around 26 bucks. Now, compared to this, 22 or 26, I think you get your money's worth with this. Now, just depends on your preference, but if you are looking to get more bang for your buck, I definitely recommend this. This is also an OG product. It has definitely been going around YouTube. It's amazing. This also has a pretty clean salon kind of scent. If you're into those type of scents, it has a really clean salonish kind of scent. What else can I say about this? It is their Capillary Growth, and this is like a Hispanic product, kind of like the silicone mix. So if you're into those type of deep conditioners, which I know I am, anything for hair growth, anything to stimulate my hair follicles, anything for moisture, that's pretty much my theme on my channel. Hair growth, moisture, and just anything that just adds value to my hair, I'm with it. So yeah, you guys, this is the last deep conditioner that I wanted to show you all. If you haven't tried it, get your hands on some. They do have smaller containers. You don't have to get this huge jar. This is just the more economical size, so I like to get this big boy. So that's it for me, guys. I don't think I have any more deep conditioners to show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was not too long, and if you stay till the end, go ahead and put a purple heart for these lips, you know. If you guys stay to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you put a purple heart so that I know that you watched it to the end. And until the next video, I will talk to you guys next time. In the meantime, you guys know what to do. Stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys soon.